The wiggle tip drill is an opportunity to play with the airstream and hear how the sound changes. Place the tongue tip on the gums behind the bottom front teeth and wiggle the tongue tip back and forth. Now go slow and notice how the sound changes depending on the position of the tongue tip. Speed up and slow down with this. The idea is to play with the airstream. Wiggle the tongue tip closer to the teeth and then slightly further away. How does the sound change? How does the sound feel? Start to notice the cool airstream that is being produced inside the mouth. This drill is about building awareness of the airstream.